Yeah, hello. This is Walk here. And this is a nickel metal. This is the Helion Animus 18 SC. It's a short course truck, as you can see, and I'm going to burn it. So let's go. If it works, because I've already put a battery in, it's weirded out a couple of times. So let's see if it works. I need to turn the thing on. Oh well, I'm looping out, don't worry about it. That's better. Oh, as you see, it's a proper game. It's a proper little game truck. Oh, nearly crunched it. Turn that thing on again. Too much. I think sometimes spins out, as you can see. Tell you what, this is a good little truck, but there's one problem. It's got poxy little plastic dog bones, and they're terrible. You know, one time a little branch got in there and twisted it out. I couldn't believe it. Oh, but yeah, it's a proper little game truck. It loves to burn. Get it on the dust, a little gravel. Oh. See, the tyres are no good for this. Powerful little truck. It's only got a 370 motor, obviously. It's only going to fit a 540 in there. Oh, it will spin. Yeah. Ready? Oh. So that's the only problem with this. It's because it's so small. You get stuck in pretty long grass. Oh, I'm gonna have to get it again. See, this, you know, it's a lovely little truck, but you need a wide area, flat ground, if you want to give it some speed. Because otherwise, you end up in the grass and you'd be doing this all the time. That's why I prefer the 1/10. It's a good little car. It's a good little thing to take out when you can't take the big ones out. Got to be careful because these motors are burn out easy. See, here we go. Let's turn that steering trim down. And you can see it's pretty sharpish. Oh yes, can he make it? No. Yes, nice. Let this mush pass. Right. The throttle trimmer only goes backwards, so only if I can. Oh, crunch! I can't get it out anyway, so I'm gonna have to get. It's a pucker little motor, no doubt about that. It's mega fast for its size, that is. So even this 370 is too much for it, this size, because it's like, you know, as you see, it skids out. These tyres ain't much cop though, they ain't got that much grip. I'll try a different set of tyres on it. Looks like the battery's gone. Oh no, let's go. No, it's alright. Soon will go though, I think. something wrong with the steering trim. That's full. Okay, I think it's because the battery's running out. Yeah, battery's going. Yeah, battery's on the right. Yeah, battery's on the right. Give it another quick run up there. Bring it back and then we say goodbye to him. Yeah, that's it. That's it, that's done for now. So, as you can see, the little 1/18 Amanus short course truck. It's a nice little truck, and it'd be a good starter truck for a small kid or even an adult, you know. So I like it. I think it's pucker. Alright then, you have a good day, you keep safe and look after yourselves. Alright, bye, thanks for watching.